Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the top of the female torso using pen and ink. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so to start out, we're going to begin with an oval shape once again. And this is going to represent the head. And then we'll add in our reference points, both on the top and bottom. And you want to do 2 each. Then once again, we're going to start forming our trapezius muscles by forming 2 triangles. Excuse me. And then once done, we'll add in 2 reference points, both on the top and bottom of our triangles, and start to form our shoulder slash deltoid muscles. And as a quick note, you want to make sure that your overall shapes in this tutorial are slightly more narrower than what we did in the male version of this tutorial, since this is a female demonstration. And then next we'll add in some shapes for the breast. And then next we'll add in a little bit of the hint of the back of the scapula as well. And then from here we can start adding in the ears. And then from here on, we can start just adding in any necessary details along with the hairline and hair bun. And for a quick note for the hairline, it should come maybe slightly like a quarter way down, or about more than halfway down when it comes to this view. And then here we're just adding in the hair bun. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.